Nkosi yami ngibonge edwaleni Ayanda Ntanzi uqeda ukusinyakazisa njengamanje kanti ngaphambilini singene ngendlela ehlezi singena ngayo umbhedesho la sithi khona siyakudumisa Thixo wethu ekseni sibonga umuso ngaka sibonga uthando sibonga ukuthandwa kangaka sibonga ukuprotecteka sibonga ukuthi umile ekhulumeni kwakho umnikazi wokuphila kwethu ukuthi amandla usinika wona wonke ithini efanele sikwenze noma singasenzi ngendlela kodwa wena usaloku khona njalo usincenga noma singasakwazi ukuncengana sesingasakwazi ukubukana ngendlela wena usaloku umile njalo kanti ke ngikhumbuza iDlovukazi Mapule uhlelo asilungiseni angihleli ngedwa Ndaba enhloko miyezo khona uThabo Sambothi sikhuluma ama-cult namhlanje 14 minutes past 9 o'clock mangabe siqeda nje la siyangena ake sizwe ima headlines nje eviki kwenzakaleni yini eseqhulini mayingekho singena kuyona sidingide.
The following program contains mature subject matter, coarse language and discussions of religious beliefs, ways of life and those of sexually suggestive nature. These may seem offensive to sensitive listeners and parental discretion is strongly advised.
Ngibonge ke ukuthi nawe udecide ukuvula namhlanje. Kuzoba mnandi ukuhlala nawe kakhulu because khona izinto ngicabanga ukuthi sesike sakhuluma ngazo kaningi indaba enhle. Emsakazweni sesike sashintshana ngazo sayibuka sathi hayi hlamba kugona lokho ngendlela abantu abavele ngazo ukuthi NS wrong ngayo saphinde futhi sayibuka siyenzeke research okunye kwaprove ukuthi hayi bafowethu injena nje lento bisidinga thina silungise imisfiling la emqondweni yethu engqondweni zethu la ekhanda kodwa sidinga ukulungisa nje the misfile and refile sifile izinto sibe ngononini iningi data esinayo iningi ulwazi esinalo but lu place ke somewhere sokunzima ukulicinga kahle kodwa masingacathulisana sibambisane kuzofileka kahle sazi ukuthi hayi uA ungena la ngoba ibonge siqala ngoA zingena la ibonge iqala ngoB zingena la ngikubingelele Ndabenhle bese sithi sekunjalo sekusile
Bonke umdalo wezwe nomhlaba sipho kusithanda kusithemba ubuqotho ukungaqolodi sime phezulu kwamaqhuma kepha sisinikezele eqinisweni bese lokho kusibeke ekutheni siwazi ukucubungula ukuze sibuyisele isizwe sikaMdala njengoba uMdala esidalile
ufike kahle
ngiyengizame akulula musumdala
inkinga iningi
no kufanele uqale ukukhumbula ukuthi medication efanele uyithathe isikhathi sensayo uKhalifornia ithiso uyazi ukuthi sebesikhathi semedication fanele imcamela ubeke ngendlela ethile musumdala
yeah
bese ubeka lo ufakwa phakathi kwemlenze yabo nje things that to improve circulation bese wenza ke the last exercise ukuze i-nervous system ibekama ukuze ungabi nayo insomnia
so ya maintaineka kodwa
no uyabona uma waba neinsomnia you didn't begin to adhere to these rules.
Okay.
Yeah, no check up.
What's insomnia in cause
I trauma kahle abantu abaningi they attribute insomnia to medical causes.
Okay.
Got that deep within the abyss of trauma there lies a lot of trauma. Yeah, izinto ezenze kusemncane that are now recalling themselves into your brain.
Okay. Ndabenhle WhatsApp, do you have anything before siyaqala uhlelo namhlanje? Do you have anything? My highlights.
There isn't, to tell the truth, except the soap opera South Africa, which is becoming boring for me.
Yeah. Why is it boring?
It's boring because I know there's nothing that's going to come out of it.
Yes.
On the West, it's also very unhealthy behavioral pattern abantu who are going to get pissed to take it to the streets, which might potentially lead to violence. There needs to be a good political will to cap this before the worst happens. Yeah.
So it must come from the politician.
Leadership, yes, leadership.
Tina, is there much of a thing that we can do as abahlali?
Okay, Tina, that God has blessed us with this platform is to calm the nerves of the people, help them to become purposeful, babe focused, babe determined, babe resolved. Yeah, well, go be resolved, you see that and then what is happening? Black people are turning on other black people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nibonile kade ena njengoba imarch and march kuyokhulunywa about the illegal illegal.
Yeah.
People aba South Africa but ukuthi bahleli mafrithini babathela ngopende babathela ngana abantu, was that necessary?
Imagine Ndlovu.
Amaphoyisa bekufanele enze njani at that time? Ngiyafisa siqale yasidero just to hear the thoughts. So.
If somebody is not engaging engaging at a political level much too much and sit them down, the worst is going to happen. I promise you. Yeah. You see, people are going to get fed up. They can't be marching forever. That you must understand.
Yes.
At some stage, they'll take the law into their own hands. And then what happens?
Ne?
Yeah, we're going to find ourselves with looting that we have never seen of gigantic proportions. Yeah.
So in it like labanda babe serious about politics.
Yeah. If there is a politician who cares, then something positive can come out of this.
Yeah.
Engage them continuously, and then you seek abanye abantu abanjengo March who share the same sentiment like Tutula. Don't antagonize them, because they'll hurt you during elections. They'll hurt you badly.
Yeah.
You know.
So ngikukhalwa phansi.
Yeah. And the people must not be delusional. I'm being brutally honest here. People must not have a delusion which they'll move to MK. MK will save them. Abanye abantu about 62% do not believe in MK. So what do you do with them? I'm talking about apathetic voters. People don't care to vote anymore. So labo bantu much too much benetutula bangasaba ene. And give them a meaningful direction.
Yeah. So ngamanye amazwi ngicawujenza example mhlambe ngeMK ukuthi political parties now are they
people are quick to run into narratives. IT right like KZN. Yeah. Well, you're not right. Remember, you are not responsible for politics. It's your handler who's responsible for politics. Your president is a handler or Rupert. Every congressman in America has a babysitter or a Zionist who give me direction and things to say. In South Africa, every politician has a handler. You know, so our handlers, if they say let's put money on Tutula, they would have exercised their caution and due diligence. But when Tutula about chance and much too much, they can create a very destructive movement which will annihilate the NC and the MK part and all other political persuasions, which will reduce EFF into simple probation.
Okay. Asibingelele Thabo, we just sharing jama views and perspectives.
Ngibingelele umlaleli ekhaya sibonga umdali usigcinile saphinde sahlangana futhi. Angilalele le ndaba but nginama views ahlukile mhlambe ingoba ngusomlandi into ngiyiqala eqaleni ukuthi iqala but ke ingasuka ibe topic but kulezi zo Dudula march ixoshwa ama foreigner siqani manje. Umuntu wala inanda uyazi sadudula amandiya na yonke uMaran Hill what kwadudulwa amandiya kwasala amasambi lamandiya kwenzakalani kukhona umngcono benzeka no kwakuyi system eyayifakwe i system ye governance ukuthi yes usuke washe into aphinde washe izinto eziwu2 ngafana uTimbane ngoba ngeke ipolitiki ilungisa into eyoniwe iyona lento eyoniwe iyona ipolitiki it's a system hence ubona ngisho ko lapha amaphoyisa engenzile ukuthi afike army because i system ayiwavumeli yabo amaphoyisa ayisebenzi zokuprotecta ipolitiki or ilento hayi thina indaba nathi so ngilala ngikhona ke ukuthi sawadudula amandiya ahamba sala sadla imizi yawo nje kuphela itolo zonke la inandi ezinye iphendulwa amasonto ezinye idilikile akazange siwavuselele lawo mabhizinisi sizobakhipha nalabo abahambe so sala sebenze sonke cha sizosala swarane la mabhizinisi azobe sevulekile cha so enye into ibona ukuthi maniyenza nine plan yokuthi okay ke mase senzile sokwenzani
sokwenzani
but manje just ukuthi isuke ngitshela ukuthi leyo nto kukhona abayidudula ngemu abane agenda ethile yokuthi ngoba lento yabo ngithe mangiyibuka ayenzeki la eSouth Africa kuphela kade ngibona naseGhana social foreign ngibona nakwamanye amazwe so mina ke ngokubuka izinto ngiyahle ngilivuleleke number 1 kuze lento ekuthiwa ama digital ID umhlaba wonke abafuna ukuimplement yona le system azo implementa kanjani ama Nigerians egcwele la akufanele ama Nigerians adudulwa phindele kwela kubo ukuze ezokwazi ukcapture ishwa kahle akufanele wonke umuntu abuyele kubo ukuze bezokwazi ukcapture ishwa kahle ile system ngoba khona abantu abazonga capture isheke ile system ngoba ba all over wonke umuntu akadudulwa phindele la ihlala khona so lento uma ngiyibuka inemthelela eminingi kodwa esuke ifuna uyicwaninge kahle uyibuka ukuthi ngobani aba behind this ngoba kahle kahle kube thina noma smart siqonde kuma department of government imsebenzi wabo phela lo wokuthi kushuthi abasebenzi khona abantu abangasebenzi ku government but sithatha thini engasiyiphushele kwenye indawo siyaka abantu engabe basebenza kade ngikhuluma
bamasha most of the time mashelo kona nje masipala SABS you know
bese kwenzakalani
phela angithi ubuzo wami lokho nami kade ngiyibuza ukuthi okay
abantu abadinga ipressure abantu abangawenza umsebenzi wabo abakwazi phela futhi ukuthi bamangalela umuntu uma engawenza umsebenzi wakhe umangalela ukuthi akawenza umsebenzi wakhe yabo so uma singayifaka ipressure thina kubantu ekufika ngabenza umsebenzi wabo yawa lento ngendlela eyinhlakahlaka ngayo uyazi into kanje igcina isingenelelwa ngike ngabona kade uminister umchunu kade veza ukuthi ama drugs eSouth Africa phethwe ama Nigerians umbuzo wami ukuthi iphoyisa ene evidence umphathi wamaphoyisa one evidence azabhala amagama abantu abaphethe ama drugs akababobhingana tshele thina uthi asenzeni so thina asibenike esihambeke siyogcwala imigaqo soqoshena ama Niger ani wabobhingani kanti ngoba niyawazi
unelisi
uyavela list amagama yamagama so yilento engisho ukuthi khona abantu abangawenza umsebenzi wabo bese thina angathi mayiveza ukuthi akawenza umsebenzi wakhe sicindezele yena ukuthi amusa ukudlala ngathi wena kanti uyabazi thina senzini pho
senzini yeah ithanda ukujula kakhulu lento but ke mlaleli be nje ama highlights ukuthi sikhulume ngezinto that are happening asikwazi ukuignore asilungiseni because egcini kwawo konke masithi asilungiseni silungisa leyo part impela ke yokuthi ena singena kanjani thina si refile kanjani silungisa kanjani imiqondo yethu so ngicabanga ukuthi we've sesikhetshile up kulo but okukhulu ke kunakonke ukuthi lesokhuluma namhlanje ngiyibone ngazuthi ena izoba nabuhlobo nalento eyenzakalayo njengamanje because makukhulunywa ngeculture kukhulunywa iculture kukhulunywa ngani kusukhulunywa ngento ngempela abantu ekuyinqubo yabo ngiyacabanga but nizochaza kahle nina ngendlela yini so kusho ukuthi thina njengamanje basekwenza yonke lento we need to take a decision kontrishilo manje ngenza ngikhuluma lendlela engikhuluma ngayo because on a serious note masujula ngempela i-question yami sisakhuluma ngendaba kaCwecwe ngathi mina yazi ibhlungu lento I was telling labantu sesihamba nabo ngathi ibhlungu lento because we are marching and then handing over a memorandum whatever else that is handed over but akube kusabuyelwe move
exactly
ngabala amanye sike ngawa mashela mina ngeenyawo zami ngathi afisa shiya lapha eCity Hall and then what happened who uba nomela ukus-update nje wasayishiya ke this is what is happening now mhlambe noma mina ngimisi information iculwa iswa you understand so mangabe ukuthi mhlambe khona baswela indawo abasho sizokwazi ukuthi mase simashile sithola kuphi feedback silandelela kuphi ngoba uzothola ukuthi abantu kumasho manje abazophinda ba-organize feedback
uyabona khona izizwe ezifana namaJuda amaJuda ayisho awenzani yakwathola egcwala umgaqo emasha yazi asebenzisa ipower of the man yazi mangase iphepha ethile elibhala into wrong ngamaJuda amaJuda ahlanganisa imali ahamba lithenga li-own sekuyelawo asezobhala into ethandwa yiwona yabo ilento engisho ukuthi ezinye izinto zike zingadingi ukuthi uze usebenzise ikhwepha ungayifaka ikhwepha kodwa iba neplan ukuthi mase ngiyenzileke lento ichiniki iplani ke mase yenzekile uma vele uyenza into kodwa manje uyazi le ngoma yathi now that we find love what you gonna do with it yabo Okay sekwenzekile then watch
yeah
asibe ne plan futhi elandelekayo ukuthi emva number 2 ukhumbula ukuthi ama political organizations wonke lawa lapha eParliament aonwa ndawonye wonke into eyodwa
yeah
umuntu nje okudlala ngayi mina nawe wonke aphethwe ndawonye
sure
so manje ukuthi hayi sishintsha lo sifaka lo sishintsha lo sifaka la system into eyodwa njengoba bekhuluma ngama handlers uDimbane bonke banama handlers and angathi ukuthi bonke bane handler ngoba bonke baphethwe ndawonye.
All right. No, siyabonga kakhulu and abenhle kade sino 2 minutes manje before we start our conversation. Kade ngitshela umunye umngani wami ngithi now guys silwela now it's kade silwela ena ukuthi akubuye umhlaba. Yebo. So sengithi mina ena unomhlaba ongakanani? Ongakanani washiyelwe ekhaya kanjalo njalo. Sethi nje kunomhlaba ongaka imuphi lo lwelayo nje ubusy ungekho la ulwela muphi ake sithi ke nakuthiwa nakho bambeni nakho
bazodayisa ama site
kwakhe umqashi
kwakhe umqashi
yona kutshelwani kuzala izingane izalelo kuthina akukho ukudla enikezwa khona oh my goodness cause ngodzima. All right into yami ke manje ke uyayibona ufuna ukudlula okay seyindaba nje manje noNduduzo Nomvalo is here. FM today's best radio kanti ke sithi asilungiseni sikhuthaza ukuhamba ezimisweni zikaMveli Nqangi ukuzazi nokuzithanda. Mangabe sikhuthaza kanjalo ke ngicela ukuthi uyibambe le ungayibambi ngokwesonto ngiyacela abantu ngizwe kahle le sikhuluma la ku asilungiseni ungayibambi ngokwe church doctrine ungayibambi futhi ngokwe church ntonto kodwa uyibambe ngokamoya ke siqale lapho because kuze kube khona I church doctrine kuze kube khona the church the structure ingoba kukhona wena as a spiritual being. So if you are a spiritual being ibambe kanjalo ke so that yonke into enye izokukhumbuza I mean mayenzeka uzokhumbula ukuthi phela mina lo fanele ngicabange before I do something I discern when I get information I discern and then bese ngiyakhipha lo information ngendlela efanelekile. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngileyili ground okwanamhlanje engicabanga ukuthi uzoyibamba ke forever le yokuthi we process izinto we think to logically ziningi izinto ena esihlezi ikhuthaza kulomsakazo so namhlanje futhi akulalele ngathi uyaqala ukulalela lo msakazo and your questions should be about what after this and then when I-contribution yakho ithini kuloko ungayenzi ibe ingxabano ungayenzi futhi ibe into engazi kuthiwa niyafunzwa izinto cabanga nawe as a person ndabenhle sikhuluma ngama cults I think wonke lama topics futhi sokhuluma avuswa izinto esikusikhuluma bese siyazi mhlawumbe kushoda la mhlawumbe kushoda la that none. So let me give you a chance before to ngesihlalele phansi come let's reason together.
Ngicela ngakangena uDimbane ke ngiqale ngoba khona abantu abalahlekayo endleleni masingayichazanga ukuthi yini yona iCult makukhulunywa ngeCult uDimbane ke mhlawumbe uyochaza ukuthi iqhamuka egameni culture whatever but iCult uze kuthiwa abantu baningi abantu abakumakhati njengoba sikhuluma nje lana nje abantu bakumakhati bagcwele amakhati
angisazi eseshiya kanjalo
abantu bagcwele amakhati njengoba sikhuluma so uma asithi inkolo yobuKristu usebandleni lenkolo yobuKristu noma lama Nazareth or whatever kodwa izona inkolo ezinkulu lezi ubuKristu nobuNazareth especially like KZN lasilalelwe khona kakhulu. So uma ukulenkolo inkolo ine doctrine yayo inkolo mawukhuluma ngobuKristu abalandeli bakaJesu mawukhuluma ngama Nazareth mawukhuluma ngama Nazareth ukhuluma ngabalandeli bomqali wendlela uProphet Isaiah Sheba now uthe maye efika nalenkolo wayibekela imithetho yini na inqubo yakho uJesu unama teachings akhe uSheba unama teachings akhe Islam kanjalo uProphet Muhammad unama teachings akhe now mase khamba endleleni bese abantu bayaphuma emfundisweni naseyinqubeni zalabaqali balento ila iqala khona ke into ishintshe ibe yikhalti ngoba seku edwa izinto ekungezona la it's like imoto ngilinganise ngemoto ngithi imoto mawuthatha nje i-Ford or i-Toyota bese ufaka engine ka-Ford yabona ibhodi ithi Toyota kodwa engine edriver yonke lento seku-Ford so kukhona abantu abasesontweni bathi Jesus but imfundiso eziphakathi akusezona eka Jesus yabo so into driver lento sekwenye engine sekwenye idoctrine ephambanayo nale kaJesu sekuyiculture ke leyo kahle ngizama ukuyisimplify Timbani
Ngibonge kakhulu Thabo. That was one of the best explanation which Thabo has actually given us of etymology of cult. I would like to zoom in with neurological and psychological formation of a cult. Neurologically, we don't have literature enough Ndlovukazi echaza ukuthi ngokwe neurology this would cause people to gravitate by a cult. But psychologically, there's something amazing. In need for belonging, in meaning and security iyona epusha abantu ukuthi bajoine ama cult. Ake ngiphinde, in need for belonging. Is search for meaning in life. Ngizokhuluma kakhulukazi nge-search for meaning in life ngoba yena ezosilokoza kukhona into osokhuluma ngazo Ndlovukazi under ama-cult ngoba i-cult ayigcini ngezinto ezinhle ayipheli kahle ikhathi esiningi ama-cult are notorious for histoprophilia uthola ukuthi iy'ngane zamantombazane iy'thanda ama-criminals. Ama-cult are notorious for overtly sexual expression. Amanye underneath ama-cult ayabe nama darkest sexual behavioral patterns kubalandeli bawo. Yes. Okwesithathu, there is a common thread in ma-cult is suicide. Okay. Yeah. So ngizozichaza ke lezo zinto sesibuke asivene sibe scientific ngoba masopipidla uzolahleka umlokozi umlaleli. All Abrahamic religions have got cults underneath them. I-Judaism in ama-cult awu-6. I-Christianity mhlambe awu-23. Probably awu-23 ama-cult underneath the Christianity. Bese kuba khona ama-branches ama-cult ke are close to 200. Then bese kuthi Islam isalwile but nayo futhi kukhona lozoyibamba khona ukuthi aloku kwakhona it's no longer imfundiso zikaMprophet Muhammad uxolo malibekuyena sekuyicult uqobo lwayo so angibele emuva ke Ndlovukazi ngithe mina isizathu psychological not neurological esenza ukuthi abantu bajoin ama-cult in need for belonging kufana nokuba desperate ufuna indoda ungayithola yabo ugcine usuqome for the sake of uqoma umuntu ezoqambela amanga kahle hayi ngoba umthanda because you have been desperate enough to find a lover operator from that premise ilokuza he can't.
Okay.
Then bese kuba i-meaning abantu bafuna i-meaning. Here is the problem. All religions have never provided a meaning. Abantu who have found meaning in their religions abantu who investigated deeply. But now they had to move from the doctrine by mysticism okuyiyona egovernisha leyo religion. For instance, amaJuda, they immerse themselves with Kabbalah. Ama-Christ to the very variety of deepest Christian mythologies. Ama-Christ to they embrace Buddhism. In search of Christ. Amanye bese biza ngani Christian mystics. Naku Islam ke uthola itablighi uthola namanye ama-persuasion like the Islam Brotherhood abantu abasukayo from society bayo-meditate because they believe they're going to bring the truth about God to their followers.
Okay.
That is how cults are formed. But ayahlupha ama-cult in Ndlovukazi, they exploit its psychological vulnerability abantu.
Okay.
Okay, ake ngenze example. Ake sithathe uPaul. Kumina uPaul was a powerful cult leader. He never met Jesus.
Yeah.
He knew nothing about Jesus. Kodwa wakwazi ukumtransforma and created sort of a cult around Christ. Now, abantu abathola inkolo, they've never investigated uPaul.
Yeah.
But uPaul, a snake skin merchant, a serial killer. Now, check this out. A serial killer and a snake oil merchant will create a powerful cult. First, in the Paul Shai masterpiece, he invented his own Christ. Emthatha ke from artist artist yakhumbula leli dudu elgone elgaxa imvu egaxa ya uartist ke lo. So uPaul ubase uJesu wakhe from artist.
Okay.
But uPaul was smart enough ukuthatha ama writings abanye abantu our integrity emsebenzini wakhe like ama epistles. There's damning evidence some epistles were not written by Paul. And for instance umthatha lethi abantu abangakhulu abesifana bangami phambi kwabantu abakhuluma. That was not Paul. Paul did not write that, but some rotten corrupt author put that information later 30 years later iBible sela formulate. Right. I just couldn't get need for belonging.
Yeah.
Hey, yabona mvukazi ave kubukhulu ukufuna uthando bakwethu. Yabona ukufuna uthando can end you up in wrong places.
Yeah.
Ake ngiphinde mlaleli. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokufuna uthando. Uma ufuna uthando and need to belong, to be touched, to be felt, to experience the affection. Ingozi leyanto, it can send you reeling into wrong spaces.
Yeah. True.
Now, our cult leaders, first they establish a community.
Okay.
Now, once we establish a community, they then besebenze nje bayeke abantu baqale babe baningi kuleyo community. Uma sebona ukuthi no man, the community is now viable, ebese yashintsha ke aziconvert either into a Jesus or into a God.
Okay.
Paul did the same thing. Paul did the same thing. God, he came with the theory that John, which I and my father are one. Leonto, it has actually made Christians to sleep and never to wake up to any reality.
Yeah.
They came with the theory which uksafarisha it's a blessing. Paul took it over what his slaves obey your masters. Sekusuka ama scammers, ama biblical scammers. Actually, let's separate between what historical biblical slavery and human slavery. Slavery once was subject to umuntu under control of abuse of the slavery. Ayikho biblical slavery
or no Bible.
Slavery is evil, it's diabolic. It tells me something about the mindset onayo. You know that. Now okwesibili in need for meaning. Yabona ke lapho ndlovukazi igodi lomncwabo ke lelo. Need for meaning. Abantu bayifuna meaning. Now ukuze kwi-cult basebenzisa lokho, they won't compile a document ezonikeza meaning kubantu like Buddha did. But what they will do, bona ama-leaders e-cult, they change and turn themselves into gods. Bangaka amasonto ndlovukazi uthi umulalela ingoma zakho ubona ukuthi kudunyiswa bani umholi wabo. Hayi ukuthi kudunyiswa umdali wezulu nomhlaba.
Yeah.
That's a cult.
Okay.
Yeah. Umulalela abantu bakhona abakwazi ukukhuluma enye into ngaphandle kokumention igama likabani likamholi wabo. Now I guess it's a good charismatic Christianity. Don't you find the same thing in charismatic Christianity? So I want to put it to you with charismatic Christianity cult. My pastor said this, my pastor, our church this, my pastor, our apostle, my pastor this, my pastor that. There's nothing mentioned of Brother Jesus. Kukhulunywa ngupastor this, pastor that. That's a cult. The moment you begin to highlight igama lika mholi wako against the name of God, then it defeats the end. When you're going to start saying umholi wami uNkulunkulu, it's dangerous. ngathi mina Ndlovukazi kusaphila babumpele, may his soul rest in peace. Ngathi mina I can become the most dangerous cult leader if ngase ningivumele. Serious, mina ngina wonke ama-tools of becoming a very deadliest cult leader South Africa. Ngayishaya ngivale Christianity and take 67% we Islam and confuse the Jews. Ngoba I know the scam that is involved. Except mina ngingenze njani na? Nginga create a document entsha ezoprove ukuthi yonke lento benicabanga is not true. Nayi into mina engambilela uNkulunkulu ungikhulume nami, ungifice ngaphansi kolwandle.
Yeah.
Yabo bese ngifuna uThabo nawe ningifazele ukuthi siyakhumbula undabe ephansi kolwandle, in fact sasimphupha size simbuze ukuthi uphefumula kanjani.
Yeah, ne?
Yabo. Now Ndlovukazi, why am I targeting you lapho? Wena uhola ilokuza isigodlo seNdlovukazi. Now athi bafethu kade nginondabe khona into engizwile, mhlambe nimzwile bathi esimzwile. Wena Ndlovukazi uthini? Busuthi hayi mina ngiyamvuma. Immediately mina isigodlo seNdlovukazi singapha.
Sesikwena.
Yeah. UThabo bese ngimtargeta kanje, uThabo kumina can become a millionaire yami ngana. Ngizothatha target all his clinics la kwakhona imithi yabo. Ukuthi umubheka undabe le mithi le ubuya nayo ngaphansi kolwandle impande zasolwandle ukuthi asingafuni konjela yabo. Hayi ke mboko lokho the job is done yabo. But bonke bazozama ukulwandle bethi bayadeva bazoshona. Bese ethi uThabo nganitshela ngathi undabe unesikhumba esingafani nese esikwazi ukungena emanzini akwazi ukuphefumula, so ubani
and it takes years to do it, right?
So after 5 years we'll be running a cult so deadly and so dangerous that even politicians azobe rely kuthina for votes.
Yeah injection emali and everything.
In need for belonging. Bese sidla ngaphakathi si force ama relationships. Akavunyelwe umuntu osifazana ukuhlala ngena indoda. Yeah kubekwe nezathu bese senze nje sithenge ama farm between Escort up to Van Riebeeck. Siwathenge. Why are you doing that? Wenzela ukuthi la madoda unemployed ayosebenza khona. Bafuye
ecindezelo wena na
bathenga amahashi khona bezokwazi ukulusa inkomo ezoba kulamalo ukuze kulama farm. Now we are running now a 22 billion industry ke la. So then what is going to happen? Lamadoda, they've got access to food, they've got access to women, they've got access to anything they need. Banemizi banama lokuza bazukudayisela ama fruit, they don't have to come and report to me, except that if liga Thabo malidayisile they need to pay 10%. Umuntu Thabo enza 100,000 first thing is 10,000 kuleyo mali kodwa 100,000 owakhe. Now lo osana le farm uzongirecruitela abanye aba 2,000 ama farmer extender sele kwi border yeLesotho. Yabo bese uthi nabantu laba kade sebenama farmer disuse siba buy off. So my cult is now excessive. So every time nginenko ezami inkonzo ngeke zibe ngama Easter, ngeke zibe ngo25 December, ngizokwenza nje ngizothatha uJuly ngosuku lweJuly handicap vele ngithi usuku undabe ambulelwa ngalo uNkulunkulu. Sengivala uJuly handicap, nobody will go there.
Yeah, because you've got the crowd now.
I've got the crowd. Then I'll go on and on.
Or uza kuqale kanje ntambama ke then abantu aba entertainment will be part of that.
Yeah. You see mina ngoba ngiyingozi, I can introduce even medical facilities in my locals. Ukuthi asithi masikholwa singayisabi ibhedlela yabo. Ngenze I relationship with specific private hospitals. Ukuthi abantu bethu sobenzela a comprehensive one shop stopping medical aid. Shuthi I-medical aid bonke abantu abakholwa ngaphansi kwethu uma nje enelokuza une number uploaded in any private medical school facility yenu, then Medicross Busamed bonke angithi mina I'm running billions, so siyazi ukuthi kaBusamed mhlambe wa paying 4 million towards ama iguli zethu. Now bangaka abantu abazoshiya their functioning churches bazojoina la
baningi.
Exactly. So
zonke umuntu usukenza ngabe ebheka ukuthi uyathola la.
Uma ngibona sekhona ihlakaniphi, then I change the steps now. Undlovukazi uMapule ngizokhumbula ukuthi kwaba khona a female angel owake waphila ngaphambili uthe later uma ubheka iBhayibheli wathenjiswa kwibook of Chronicles ukuthi uyomanifesta komunye umuntu ophila esikhathini sanamhlanje, and that person is none other than uMapona. So uhlekani?
No, I understand it. Ngibuka yonke le system phe njengoba ukhuluma manje like
what I'm doing mina lapho, I'm creating a God status for you as a woman ngoba ngifuna ngibambele more women, yabo. So manje usune limousine, usune ma bodyguards, usune palace, a real palace, you understand?
I don't look it.
Yeah. So uthola ukuthi your food is handled by very important persons, and ingane ziphela ukudla, they're called your angels.
Yeah.
So ngikushene God status. Bese ngiyakuthaba uThabo is going to be the ancient philosopher. Okumanifeste kena oqhamuka from the book of Exodus. uMakhi Kambi oke waphila onegazi lika Imhotep, and uNkulunkulu ngibulele ukuthi lo uThabo. So I'm running here something that is going to choke culture, choke everybody. Umuntu angakwazi ukuyidebate lento.
Kwazi kwanzima emhlabeni.
That is how you get a cult going.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Nangu kubona ukuthi you've got us already.
Yeah, I guess lokho kufunda kwethu ndabehle mina ngiyithatha ukuthi khona istep la sofinyela khona. I think sofinyela futhi kule disho uThabo ukuthi sekwenzeke konke ke what there.
Emva kwama news ngicela siyeke with meaning that people are searching for.
All right, uNonduduzo wakaNomvalo usekhona nezindaba zezwe emsakazweni nanda 88.4 FM kuhlelo asilungiseni. Masithi asilungiseni ke sikhuthaza ukuhamba ezimisweni zikaMveli Nqangi ukuzazi nokuzithanda. Sibuyisa leyandi, it's the spiritual awakening program. Akubuye wena sizama ukubuyisa wena la. Woza ke kwenzeke njalo.
Useleleka Inanda 88.4 FM.
Manigani umsakazo Inanda 88.4 FM 10:10 10:10 kusho njalo konje khona into with the numbers maye kanje establishe kanje ake ningichazeleni bazalwane nilenazi izinto enifundayo in research yayo ndabenhle. Is there anything symbolic ngendaba yama numbers mika nje bangithema ngibuka nje yathi 10:10?
There are no. People attribute certain events symbolically to specific numbers.
Okay.
Yeah. Asiqhubeka ndlovukazi ngoba konke ngifuna ukushaya ngayo ama cult followers amaningi.
Sesiyashawa manje.
Sesiyakhankasa. Ndlovukazi enye isizathu sabantu abayebasike i-cult i-dissociative personality. Uyabo uma uloku uthuthuzama ukuthandaza ungafiki lento abantu obona beyiclaim emoya engcwele bese uba attracted endaweni lapho ku scream khona kuthi ungcwele ama cult followers ayithanda kabi lezo ndawo. They want intense and emotional, yabo, futhi kube indawo that are men led, not female led. Ama cult abantu besifana nawekho successful. Ama cult are successful awabantu besilisa because abantu besifazana abaningi patriarchally they look up to men for survival. Udodo ingrained nje kubantu, yabo, which is why ngitshela ngisho ngithi mina if we want to talk about patriarchy ukuthi asaze sikhulume ngayo la ke ngiveza imkhuba hayi sivamisa ukucaphuna. Mina I can prove you ukuthi kahle there's no devil but the patriarch is the devil.
Ne?
Yeah. And actually Satan, it was created by religion to scare and control people. Kahle Satan patriarch. Yeah, because the world is suffering. Who organized abantu besifana about 2 million bawuhlasela Iraq? Always men. Obani abadiclare izimpi? Always men. Obani abakhoze displacement eSudan? Men. Is that not the devil mindset?
It is.
Devil mindset.
Yeah.
Okay. Ini uthola ukuthi kuma cult there is sexual phenomenon strong gabi. It makes sense. Ama cult followers, they sleep with their leader.
Yeah.
kuma cult amaningi abantu besifazane, they've got a lust for their leader. There's always a desire for a woman to taste God. You know that. And no other than person ozomsondeza noNkulunkulu or uNkulunkulu ngokwakhe ngokuthi alale nani nomholi wakhe.
Okay.
Yeah. And abanye, they look for abantu abaclose we cult leader bese belala nabo yabo.
Yeah.
That is why kubone kuvamise ukuthi kube ne hybristophiliac type of women ngaphakathi. Abantu besifazane abathanda ama criminals.
Okay.
Yeah. Most women hybristophilic uma kwenziwa research, it's a woman who loves criminals, who are attracted to criminals. Hybristophilia. Hybristophilia.
All right.
We research eyenziwa ngo-1973. Kwadiscover ukuthi abantu besifazana abaningi abasebancane hybristophilic basuke beqhamuka kuma cult. You know, in other words, when a woman feels that he has little control over her childhood because of trauma, they then begin to fall in love with a person who's behind bars as a way for them to vicariously gain control over the life that they've lost. Sizoya kwi darkness yayo sibheke spiritual ngoba nakhona ukuthanda umbulali kukunikeza a false sense of security. Ukuthanda umdlwengulu, it gives you empty power.
Yebo.
Yeah. Bakhona abantu sifana bangakwazi nje ukuthanda omunye umuntu ngaphandle uthathande umbulali, umdlwenguli nomcekeli phansi. They are isigebengu nje. They are so attracted to these people. Lo muntu esifazane dangerous is either uqhamuka from we cult or she's capable of becoming a cult follower. Ngoba phela umuntu anombulali, behind him there's a cult going on. Why would you follow umuntu okhalisa imndeni? So ngesikhathi kukhala imndeni ngalo muntu omthandayo, there is a jubilation ngaphakathi kwena ukuthi this society yangihlukumeza nami, it serves them right. Iqhamuka phi ke le hybristophilia na? Ubokubheke ingane eyine history of sexual trauma eza abuswayo. So ukujoin ama cult kuzona, they're seeking protection. So if they cannot find umuntu ozobanikeza attention, they'll then go for criminals. Uma ade ukuphelezelile niyobona ubhuti wakho boshiwa afika qoma ubhuti wakho. Yeah. So what is the principle?
Yeah.
The majority of women landela ama cult, they tend to have sexual relationship nabaholi. That is why ukuthola ukuthi umholi we cult is sleeping with 100 women. And bamsupport abantu besilisa bathi musani ukuthuka umholi wethu akababambi ngenkani abantu besifazane akababize kune system esontweni. Every woman who wants to have privacy nomholi wethu uye abhale incwadi bese simnikeza opportunity ukuthi abe nomholi wethu. Mase kufika lapha na ke uyena uzosho ukuthi cha ngizozendlala kwena uma esebenzisa leyo term lesesiyazi useyazi umholi ukuthi ufunani usezoklinwa ke spiritually alungiswe lo suku la ezobusiseka athole ugcobo olungcwele kubani kumholi.
Ay David. Esezobusiseka thola ugcobo.
Yeah, balithola kugcobo
ngalo hlobo.
Yeah. So are you not worried that the charismatic churches do the same thing? Yeah, ama charismatic churches. Hey, yabona abafundisi abaningi hayi bonke. Disclaimer. Kuma charismatic churches abefundisi abaningi hayi bonke. Hayi bayababonda abalandeli besifazane ngaphakathi. Ake siqale phezulu yakhumbula uJim Baker oyelana nama prostitute. Jim Sokkat did the same thing.
Kwaproveka yini lokho?
Kwaproveka. Oh, if a woman comes forward,
has to love that man.
Ba
Jimmy Sokkat.
Yeah, but I'm a prostitute. I have to say history will prove us correct one day. Yeah. Nabaningi ke
basobani prostitute nokudlengula, I mean ithini into yakhona?
Ukudlwengula Ndlovukazi into ebhlungu kabi.
Sasho kubi kakhulu lo kwama prostitute.
Bona phela basuke bengafuni bayijotha bafuna ukudamage ibandla beno Jim Baker baya ngaphandle kodwa
ku wrong kakhulu as per I doctrine or whatever.
yeah babanja ngoba ama prostitute ayakhuluma never trust a prostitute I prostitute ifike elale nawe ithenge kuzokuveza egcineni hayi futhi angiphathi uma umuntu lokuza ayavezana ahlupha kabi ngeke Ndlovukazi sikhokhelele izingane ezincane ifunda kuma university uyithengele isikhwama se Louis Vuitton bese iyakusiza for 3 years ifunda imisiphuma university ibisithi mina ningibona nga exploit ubaba umyezi he used to buy me he paid for my flat he did this and this isingivezelana ekubeni yayikimema
Isiqedile ukufunda nje.
Ayisiqedile.
Usuyayilandela phela wena ufunda
abantu abayilandeli there's a law there's an unwritten law ngoba babalala nalengane ayilandelwa ngoba uyazi izokhuluma egcineni hayi sizokhuluma ke kuma podcast ithi if there's a difficulty I don't want to mention his name because he's now a very senior person is respected and inhlonipha umndeni wakhe kodwa la ku podcast team isho ukuthi ubani uyazi usufonela iPodcast yabo wayithengela iTSI uyayila amount eligijima ko Cape Town kumnandi ngaleso sikhathi manje isefila guilty kwaphela ibhizi iloku ihushula izisu isizoqala ke manje sikhuluma noDodo okhulumayo it never ends.
Be
careful now siqhubeke njalo ngobungozi bamaculture enye into amaculture avamisa ukuthi aende suicidal angazi ukuthi yenza kanjani lento Ndlovukazi but kuya ngokudideka komholi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ebesethi uma ningithanda kodinga nenze njani ningilandela na ake senze iwayiko in wakho in ngikhumbula kahle I was on CNN ngingasavumi nokuthi ngiyo esikoleni because I was studying there uDavid Koresh in America okwathi mesebona waqalelana nezingane namankosikazi amadoda evuma ngicabanga amadoda ayesewafake kwi-compound iwakho compound ayevuma ukuthi uDavid Koresh alale namakhosikazi awo nezingane ezincane
Kahlenibo
that's the problem
extreme phela leyo
nganje bakujathi that's the problem ngamaculture uthe
do
mase
they use muthi kulezi zinto
they use charisma and vulnerability abantu i-dissociative disorder abantu umthwabo omkhulu yabo that is why ngithe mina Ndlovukazi ingozi kabi culture ayikho into eyingozi ngeculture so ke uthe uDavid Koresh sekufike sesurroundile abanikeza ibhamu enye into ama-culture se-America they store weapons ayindaba okudlala benza ukuthi mase behlaselwa kuvulelwa inhlamvu yabo uyakhumbula ukuthi nase-SNKF kwenzeka same thing
i-person
ekhumbula thabi i-cult group laba bebiza ngengilosi bengilosi ezo7
engezela phakathini like
ngizange sesakhuluma nje nabo ngabo lapha kade sinawe nje laba ngizengathi mina abakho abantu kwakuwena ababambeka njengonesi nothisha ngoba abahlale bebanjwe ilamakhadi ngoba lapha abantu abaningi ababebambekile onesi othisha ama professionals
abasebesarandini
manje imizi yabo
yeah
bahambe bayonikela namba labafana
bala president but leyo engilosi zo7
yibo nje leyo khathi babeyibiza kanjalo kwakwabafana ilamani na somewhat
Engobo Eastern Cape culture yes yeah yeah ubungozi beculture ke la so ngizama ukuthi ke umuntu athi pornography is a cult yabo and the pornography damages the mind of a human being yabo as a result this is what isasateprethu culture yenze njani ukhuluma ngemasturbation last week Ndlovukazi uyabona ukuthi grooming iqalaphi
yona
porn yeah so umuntu othanda indlovu kakhulu there is always a danger yokuthi angagcinela nelicult.
Okay.
Yeah, because a part of their brain does not function. Yabo. Uma esefika kwi total emptiness, the second stage ukulandela indawo where sex is freely offered and there's no other best place than the cult movement. Konke kade ekufundela phana ku Pornhub usezokupractice kahle ke manje kephi la kwi-cult ngoba i-cult ayinawo ama-sexual boundaries yayibona ke association.
Okay.
So i-pornography can groom you to become a cult follower.
Or a leader for them. Right?
And for a leader, for instance, bake bawazama ama-sexual cults in America asheshavalwa yabo. Yeah. And ngicabanga ukuthi South Africa khona ukuthi organize ngendlela yokuthi you can't even know what's going on. South Africa ukuthi akhona ama-sex cult njengoba singalenzi iphutha. Akhona ama-sex cults elokuza eSouth Africa. E-America mkhumbula uJeff Epstein lo wathatha ama-president of the country and business billionaires kwakungani i-sex cult le no Ghislaine Maxwell. It was a sex cult and wa compromise athabo ama-leaders omhlaba uJeff Epstein. Lento ke ukuthi kube kukhona ukhipha ama-Epstein files. Then buyele South Africa ke manje eSouth Africa uJackie Phamotso ukwayiveza nje ama-sex cult bathi abamqede ukuthi wasinda kanjani I do not know because
she's still out like usakhuluma.
She's out there
namanje.
Yeah, ukhona but nobody supported her during this ngoba abanye abantu who would have supported him that been to sex cults movement yabo. So there are so many sex cult movement. I guess ibheke ukuthi sex cult in South Africa injani na iqala kulama lokhu zenwenza ama stag parties.
Ngani
Stag parties
kanjani la
uyubona Ndlovukazi uma ukuthiwa ngiyoshada ngeweekend bese kuthi abangani mama bango-20 bangithengele amantombazana awu-20 ekufanele ngilale nawo on a Friday preparing for next week's
yeah
and nabantu besifazane they actually do that. Ngizama ukuveza an insidious ukubola ukugruma ekutheni potentially you can fall trap into this cult movement. Maningi ama-sexual cults in South African Ndlovukazi. One day they'll come to the surface and if they come to the surface the worst is going to happen. Yabo kodwa njengoba ngisho ukuthi uke wazama yes start lama bachelor parties ayikho into ebole nengcole njengama bachelor parties ngangaya yebo ngangaya akaza
lo wazi uyambona nje mina angingisho ephathini iphathi
no mina
ukungema nje wena uthi angize ephathini uyazi ukuthi kumzukuzulu
lalela uthi ena ngikubonani ngoba manje umuntu othula yena lo muntu vele ena
akithi uyazi nangisho kuthiwa kunephathi ngisho kuthiwa inanda every inephathi kukhuni ngabe ukuthi ungibone lapho ngisho iphathi noma iphathi
awujayilaka
ayangijwayela
mina Ndlovukazi I'm not going to pontificate ngime la ngizonzi engelosa ngiyona. I've been in one logos eyangishiya ngine trauma. Yeah, I mean Ndlovukazi, here you are coming into a room kubhukwe i-room la kubhukwe a B&B for the weekend. Ufika wena ngo-9 uphethe phela into kuthiwa guys please let's organize a gift for our friend. Uthi uyangena e-den room every woman is naked.
Yo Kanje zayibona.
Yeah.
Bona bakutshengisa isithi.
Yeah. And enye ingane yangibiza ngathi baba Ndebele nawe.
Isithi baba.
Letha amakhathi uyayibona Ndlovukazi ukuthi isondelene kanjani nepolitiki kakhulukazi ama-church cults.
Yes.
Ubona ama-politicians izwana kangaka nama-cult leaders abantu abanjengoBushiri osopolitiki besondela kakhulu kubona because baphila impilo efanayo ama-politicians nama-cult leaders and bayakwazi ukwenza imkhonyovu yabo behlangane nama-cult leaders. It's either it's money laundry, it's either what uJimmy Swakade kade ukhuluma ngayo. Ngiyacabanga bonke ushawa futhi uJimmy Swakade ama-politicians.
Washo ama-politicians
yeah washawa ngoba ama-politicians athi wenza nawo izinto so anamafayili akho mase uphambana nawo adedela amafayili seseniyaphambana manje futhi bamshaya nje bacasulwe lento kade shawe uJimmy Swakade
uJim Bheki
ade shawe le Tsulumane leli Didat wagilima ngawehlisa the whole country America is to yonke yanqakabani kaJimiswa Gadi emva kwalokho bavele badedela lama files akhe
ebawededela
bavele badedela lama files
yena wayempimpe uJim Baker uJim Baker the most powerful charismatic preacher in America uJim Baker shall get back to you one day uJim Baker set ama spies wasethinti ilokuza uDidat
ama country leaders nama politicians is same WhatsApp group is the same WhatsApp group mhlambe masibuya ngale ngoba ngiyabona isikhathi esavuma ngoba akhona nama African cults yabona laba singabashiya eceleni laba abathi bayinkolo yesintu ngoba even uyothwasa ungena kwikhanje
sizobuya ubona ngoba bengifisa ayicover iqedwe ngale yama
bese ngizokhuluma ngento yokugcina sengikhuluma ngesuicide ngakhuluma nge-sexual cult
the dangers section njalo okay silindele wena
right njengoba
nimenzani lapha ku TikTok
right ngibona intombi lezinhle just ubuthakathaka bami so njengoba bese kuthi ke
sikubuyisele emuva
bese kuthi enye into ke loneliness can drive you to a cult if the meaning has not been offered by your pastor. A lack of doctrine, it creates havoc. Yabona ama doctrine amaningi iwona induce occultism. You see, here's the problem with Christianity because it's one that one is close to and akayibona njalo. Up to this day, ingane they're asking questions. The modern intelligent people, they ask questions that our pastors are incapable. That is why manje usuthola kunempi phakathi kwama evangelicals nama theologian, and this raging war underneath yona critical. So ingane vulnerable izoqala believe ukuthi hayi labantu bobabili bayabhetha both the evangelical. Bese qhamuka kundabe mislead mina ngivene ngithi nje mina I'm the direct descendant of Imhotep. Ngangiphile Kemet. So what is happening khona manje South Africa? There is another deadly thing happening where abantu sebesebenzisa African history by convert her into cultism.
Okay, yazi ke sizobuya bafowethu angesithi ugwinya mathi ngoba le I think iyadinga ukuthi sigwinyele sicabange kahle sikhumbule futhi ukuthi uma sesixhumana inamba 0687649969 bakhona sebeqalile ulwandle usho njalo uDumi wakamkokstad sengithi wakamkokstad but uDumi uMkokstad emsakazweni Inanda 88.4 FM today's best radio yabona izinto ezenzeka off air zokumangaza uvela ungabusazi noma you share or not because vele ixhumane nezinto vele sizenzayo nesikhuluma ngazo right now sila kuma cults undaba enhle besasitshela ke ubungozi nezinto eziningi nokuthi asivula umqondo ukubona so this is cults this isn't yabona so noThabo naye uke wathi ukungena ethufisa ukuthi sibheke nale African cult is that what you said Thabo
Ndlovukazi ngine experience I've cancelled in my record books since 1990 only 16 people ababelethwa imndeni obelethwa abanye abantu bephuma kuma cults. Immediately I realized ukuthi cognitive behavior therapy will work on helping these people. With cognitive behavior therapy, you beg where does this person come from? And how does he see their future? Now, here's the most critical thing, Jovgas, and I want you to listen carefully, Baramdalil. Kufanele uma uzokhansela umuntu ngeke umuntu athi ephuma kuma drugs umbhemisa insango as a way of healing him. So I'm saying to you, kufanele kube therapist, a cult informed. Because recovery yakhona ngafunda ubunzima bayo Ndlovukazi. It requires specialized knowledge against coercive behavior control and manipulation. Kufanele ube expert kulezo zinto. futhi fanele ube ne theological background mungenayo ngeke uzumsize lo muntu uthaba I don't care what you say. You must have a depth understanding of Islam, a depth understanding of Christianity, or at least any other religions, especially ama Christian cult, ex-cult members eve kukhulu ukuphuma kuleyanto. Ngoba into efika ubebhlungu usekwalala nomholi wakhe. So there is now that sexual attachment when uzomkhipha ku cult attachment, but how do you remove him from sexual attachment? This is what they reported to me. I'm a client acha ngimphupha senzo ucansi.
Usengene wazwathi
wamgodifya. So she saw herself sleeping with a god. Yeah.
uphila no God lale no God.
Dimbani hayi usazobuyela uDimbani ngiyadlula mina ngoba uyichaza kahle ngoba kufuneka abantu belaphekile egcineni ngoba lento ishaya ingqondo uyivale kahle kade uyivala sisekhefini ukukhuluma ukuthi nangalento yechemetism lesikhona bayithatha bayenza ikhathi kahle into yakhiwa yigebengu ezinye nje eziphansi kabi othi mawubona ukuthi lo muntu ugodli ngempela ukushaya psychological because iyo leyo nto abayisebenzisayo ukuthi thembela kuyena so yena urepresent uGod emhlabeni ngakho ke angenza noma yini and wena vuma that not the anointed ngithinte
hey abonelo verse
thembela kuyena ngoba once waphambana naye uzokushaya uNkulunkulu so ngisho elala nezingane uthi uyayibusisa ithola isibusiso ngokuthi ilala naye ibe happy ngempela ngoba phela ubanjwe ikhaya
into zakhe le anointana
so naye ngoba usabanjwe lento ezikhaya akujabulele lokho ukuthi ube nenhlanhla ube nenhlanhla wabanjwa ubaba man of God
wambusisa out of all akazi bonke babuya
athi ngingelutho kaphubaba wangithatha
that's vulnerability
that is vulnerability it is worse
so nalana ke mawuza ngalana ke kulezi zinto zesintu ukuthi umuntu akuthathe athi uyokuthwasisa uyohlala kwa
yazi sabaqi khona ngicanga ngixolisa ungene ulemeni ngicela silungisele part nawe endabeni ibingishaya because isintu kade ngicabanga lento ukuthi singabakantu singabantu isintu kusho isintu kahle isithabo isibani kusho kahle kukhulunywa around centered around untu ngiyibuza sikonje ubani untu sasakhuluma ngalento bachazela uMayani nobabumpele but now mhlambe we need to go back kancane kuleyo and then bese uzothi le part manje bese kuthiwa kwenziwa into ezizangoma zenyanga nana bese kuthiwa isintu are we doing justice in that
ukahle yazi ke uyibeka kahle wavele wangibuyisela khona impela ngoba lezi zinto lezi ukuthi senza isintu chaza ukuthi senza izinto ezinobuNkulunkulu kahle lento inabo yini uNkulunkulu le yenzakalayo uma ugobele ethatha abantu ebahlalise ekhaya kwakhe athi uyabathwasisa labantu uyabagcilaza ubavusa ngo4 khwele bageze khwele baqine khwele bapheke fanele sebemkhovu nje la ekhaya maye namasimba emasimini uthi uyabona ezitolo thina siwumndeni usinqumele abantu 12 months 6 months uthi uhlele ekhaya sithosi lethu ukudla silethu ukudla emva kwalokho kudla futhi fayesomkhipha ngemali lo muntu njobe sezophuthula na uyabona ukuthi lento ayihlukile nalento athi ichazwa uDimbani ngekhathi yobuKristu it's the same thing kodwa ukuthi ngala yenzeka kulabo abathi isintu ngala yenzeka entweni ekuthiwa isonto but yombili lento ishaya abantu psychological ngoba iyagcilaza ingqondo igcilaza inyama
sure
because ikuphendula isigcila sayo you are a slave egcineni uthi
so into uma ngilokhu ngilalela ikhathi lento ukuthi wenza into kwenziwa into kuwena ebekwa as if I right to do a procedure yokuphila kodwa futhi kungekona okwakantu
ongeza userve wena
okay
kuzoserve lo okutshela ukuthi uyakusiza
okay
how do you explain a spiritual office fanele sibe no by spiritual office ayifana sibe nomdali at the helm
Yeah.
then ubani lo empowered ngaphansi kaMdala. Would you say umngoma, umthandazi, umbishopi, upapa, obana ama office bearers, spiritual office bearers? So ifike ilahleke lapho ke. Upope has mafia serving his interest. Kodwa he claims to be leading the office bearer Mdala. Your charismatic pastor, he sleeps with children, but who claim which he is holding an office. Now here's something. Ngala Isangoma is fighting a political war. Sa undermine, sa denigrate during the apartheid. So the muntu ne trauma. Just in the midst of trauma, he is claiming he belongs to the office bearer. Maybe mhlawumbe clean the office, spiritual office. Who are the rightful people underneath the office? The spiritual officer for the
yeah mhlambe ngempela uqinisile kuloko nako lokho masikhuluma ngesintu ngoba ngiyafisa sikhathe even nathi la emlomeni ukuthi isintu and the activities zezangoma nenyanga it's not the same thing.
Ifuna kama
teachings.
That's where esoteric teachings come from.
Teachings ila ingena khona. Uma silande umlilo la e-studio usukwenza nama esoteric teachings alapha
yebo
ukuthi njengoba esukwenza lento njengoba uyisangoma phela uDr Mlilo so usuke sinika ukuthi mabenza nje badlala ngani kahle nayi lento la ikhona enzela ukuthi noma ethi umuntu okuthwasisa wazi ukuthi mayekudlala ngawe uzombona ngalokho so umvula inkonzo umenza aware before izingene lento avela indlala lokho so nala njoba siveza ukuthi ikhathi into enjani fanele uwazi ama teachings ukuthi no uKristu phatha akayifundisa ngalento uzoyambona ukuthi ikhathi leader le udlala ngathi lo muntu.
Okay, ngisasele kancane Thabo ngifisa mhlambe ngizwe kahle le yesintu and then mawusuthi no Kristu akayifundisanga are we saying it is just said some of the Christians there's also cult in it so ngifuna sibuyisele
nayi lena ke ngithi mhlambe kuzethi mhlambe angiphumeke kuleli gama leli likudida lesintu ngithi lomdabu wabathi phela into yomdabu.
Okay.
A
certain group of people.
Yeah, certain
it's
group.
Not for everybody.
It's a certain group. So bathi eyomdabu lento yenziwayo isiko lethu lokuthi ube isangoma isiko lethu so basuke ke bethu nabadala iyafana neChristianity if ungayenzi lento eshiwo upastor wakho church not the anointed uNkulunkulu uzokushaya if ungayenzi lento oyitshela ugobela idlozi izokushaya uyabona njengoba kutshela ukuthi iyafana ukuthi iza ngeindlela ezihlukene kodwa nje manje ikushaya psychologically ngendlela efanayo yombili.
Okay.
Into eyodwa kodwa iqhamuka ngendlela engafani.
Iclear kanjalo ngiyafisa mhlambe nathi sike siphinde futhi sithi ukubuyisa lento yantu
into kantu ufuna siyichaze manje
not necessarily ngisho ukuthi ke sibuyise nje somehow mhlambe kube yona mhlambe silokhu siyikhuluma because yonke into manje nomuntu eseganga ngathi thiwa isintu.
Yes.
Nomuntu esekhuluma into wrong thiwa isintu kanti manje ufuhlwe umkhuba walesa sigodi wale yandawo or a certain group of people cults whatever.
Let's explain isintu.
Yeah.
Isintu is nothing else but doing the will of God.
Yeah. That's true.
That's true.
That's Islam.
Yes. We're shooting amanye amazwi. Your reference is the source of creation.
Okay.
Two means the atomic source of creation.
All right.
Yeah. So when umuthi into isisintu, you are saying whatever you are doing, you are referencing and resourcing from umdala. But where do you get ilokoza clue? Uyini ekinforma ukuthi la correct na ngoba kwamina I can start molesting widows Maren Hill bese ngithi no instruction kamdala. So what you are having today into eqala ngoPaul owathi esuka we scam abantu uthi esuka wathi the Christ that liveth spoke to him.
Yeah, but
bam challenge wabaleka waze washintsha igama because ukuthi Paul it means the small one waseklema unyazi ke yabo yaqala lapho ke indaba kaNtuko nakala so ke you have a bunch of people today nabasebesha unyazi njengo Paul we've got a lot of serial killers abasha unyazi esikhathini sanamhlanje yeah
into yesintu ifana nale engiqale ngayo ngathi iToyota ifakwe injini ka40 so lento abayibiza ngesintu sebefake enye injini kuyona base beyibiza ngesintu kanti isintu kahle lento echazwe uTimbane ugcina intando kaMdali
and then the question after that uthi how do we quantify or qualify ukuthi lento ena iyona I think ihamba lapho ukwenza okulunga nokuhle mangalimaza umunye umuntu that thing is correct right ubuntu ngithi ayizwe laba
angithi wenza intando kabani
kaMdali
so ukwenza intando kaMdali ubuntu
so qualify kanjani
umusu wenza intando yakho ini ke
No, I'm saying ngivumelana nawe ndabenhle
no ngivumelana nawe ndabenhle
ukwenza into enhle nokwenza ukulunga nokumultiply nokufunctiona like yonke lento enhle siyenza cultivate ibona buntu ke lo that's how we qualify that's how we shy stamp ukuthi wenze right
nothing beyond nothing
so mase kuzo benefit omunye umuntu at your own expense and pain then it's no longer
when somebody begins to benefit ngobuntu there's something very wrong going on there kune manipulation ne coercion akufanele kube khona ibenefit yomuntu oyedwa against the glorification of the source
no kuyazwakala
uma sekunetshe khule kwakulona onondaba is dangerous we culture ke le
so Thabo are you done with the clarifying the amaculture lawa ekuthiwa komdabu loku traditional
ngicabanga ukuthi icacile le abantu bayizwa inkinga ithanda kuba complicated le yomdabu because ilula kakhulu kuyimanipulate ngoba ayinayo ngisho isource ayinazo izincwadi zayo ayifani nale ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi usheshwe eBhayibhelini sikubuyise ngeBhayibheli manje sithi ayibuka la Christ nak yabo labantu badlala ngawo yabo so le bakumanipulate ubona ngesikade ukuthi ubona futhi kakhulukazi sebekuthwasisila usabona lutho kade ngibona enye post last week ebihle kusakabi Facebook omunye ebhala ukuthi uthi kushuthi abantu ababhala ukuthi emva kokuthwasa ubani owake wathwasa wangabona lutho egcineni
hey evebeve
hayi onomunye ethi hey mina kwenzeka ukuthi nokuthi bechaza ke le into zabo besho ukuthi otsho umuntu ngangivele ngiqamba amanga ngithi ngangaqamba amanga ngathi wangibamba umuntu yabo maye bayibhala yonke ila ubona khona ukuthi umanipulatiwe lapha yakudalwe ngawo awubonile uthi omunye ngithi khona lento masuphuma usuphothula bese ufihlelwa into kuthiwa ithole uthi hey angaboni nolunci angazi babemfihlele uthi waze wathunyelwa isizi technology usisi wakhe WhatsApp wemtshela ukuthi ifihlwe esibayeni angaziphi ayike wasehamba ke fike ikhipha ke leyo nto efihliwe uthi mina ngesingamli ngangaboni lutho ngaze athola uWhatsApp
WhatsApp kubula nje wehleli
usekhaya phela manje ifihliwe lento athi uzophothula kena kuzobonakala ekhaya ukuthi hayi useyabona akufihlwe into usisi wakhe ubekhona kanye nalabo abafihlayo
manje lo nje wenzisa izinto akwenze kulutho
baningi manje ngiyafunda baningi ngiyayifunda nje yonke into lapha akuzange iqede noma uchaze sakhe istory so ilento lamakati bayakwazi ukumanipulate abadlale zingakhe zangoma manje engenzi lutho hamba umuntu abuye lapha afaka ubuhlala ethi waseqeda bukhumula
ngengabona esinye clubini sidansa nawo amabhayi into ongakazuza uyibona sidansa nawo amabhayi ndisihamba barefoot phakathi eclubini sidansa impela insizwa sigijima ngemva kwaso zisithinta izinqa so leyanto nginikeza something ukuthi okay la kahle out of 10 of them only one probably would be closer to this thing the rest of them sengidlalwe ngathi ngoba ngempela labantu laba emusukhuluma nabo baya speculate enye into ngiyinakisisa Ndlovukazi uma kufika abazali beze kumina belethe ingane esiqala kuba nemimoya engisheshe ngikupick up ukuthi i-onset of mental health pain and disorder imimika ubungoma yeah uba nama symptoms of mental health umuntu wakhona mefika ama delusions of grandeur ukubona izinto ukuphupha abantu abadala yabo.
Okay, mhlambe si usakhuluma nje ngayo nisayimention ngicela ukudeclare lento ethi asisho la e-studio kulento engivulile nje la esixoxayo nesikhulumayo asisho ukuthi ku wrong siyabulala siyagxeka siveza izinto that we need to look for. Uma ngabe kuthi uyothwasa look for this. Uma ngabe ukuthi unikezwe into ethi look for this. You understand? Be open minded. Think, discern, bangakuskemi.
Yeah.
Ngoba khona into nje eminyango ngenzeka ukuthi uhleli lapho nje usuthi yabona ke sebegxeka into zethu ke manje. Sebe njoy nami ngizama namanje ukuthi sibuyise le part yokuthi into yakantu noma isintu noma abantu yabo into enontu phakathi ayifani ne activity ne program ye traditional healing or traditional activity ye certain group because akuthina sonke siza ngoma kodwa sonke sabantu
ilapho
yabona imileke bafowethu so ngiyacela ke
uchaze kahle uthi nje angikholwa ukuthi bakuzwa kahle abantu kodwa nje uchaze kahle noma nje ukhuluma ukuthi into ayikwazi yantu ukuthi ibe isintu ku certain group.
Exactly.
Isintu into yabantu bonke whether uyungoma umKristu uyini isintu lesonke sabantu uma wenza into ewukulunga ehambisana nomdali isintu.
Kodwa makuthi wenza the traditional healing you are a traditional healer you do traditional stuff into yaleso sigodi yendawo then I kwazi kanjani ukuthi isintu le ngoba siyenzi sonke kodwa isiphiwo sakho.
Let's go deep.
Yeah.
When nje ubuhleli lapho you are carrying a generational ancestral DNA yangithi.
Yeah.
Probably DNA oyiphethe lapho kuhiyoma yakho ithambo leli between hip nedolo. It contains close to 64,000 generations.
Yeah.
Even more than that. It could easily be about 80,000 generations.
Yeah.
So, uma uthwele unabantu abadala, are you referring to the ancestry or you are referring to the corporate body of human beings that are inside of you? Because when nje ngeke ukwazi ukuphila emzimbeni kagogo wakho akakaze kwenzeke, there is no evidence ukuthi khona umuntu owaphila emzimbeni womuntu. But umuthi kuna no babumyenza, if I saying nabantu abadala ngichaza ukuthi there is an activity of a DNA within my bone structure. And every time it's active, uyakwazi ukutap into the spirit part of me, which then recalls dreams and stuff like that. That will make sense to me. Kodwa ungangitshela ukuthi unabantu abadala when you're referring to corporate bodies, because that would cause severe schizophrenia.
When corporate
ngichaza ukuthi njengoba ngihamba la ethanjeni lami ngine DNA mhlawumbe ka 80,000 generations. Which is still active.
Sure.
Now, uma mina ngithi ngihlelwe abantu abadala first of all obanda abantu abadala bakamyeza bangifuna. Nokuthi kulula ukuthi mina when God has presented a body for me to dwell on it alone. Ebese to call ngine part yakho engwazi ukuplace kuyona futhi another body wakamyeza. Kodwa ngeke ufike as corporate inyama. Uzovela mhlawumbe as substance or whatever, you know that. Because we need to go to science because black people are scientists.
Yeah, we need that. Hey, yabona ngamazikhuluma lezo kufuze uqale enye topic ikobazalwane ukuthi yawa lento of science njani bayibone njengento ngempela engasebenzi kanti it works but silokhu sikhulumile ngalezi zinto bafethu kuningi esidinga ukulungisa asilungiseni sesizoya ke ezindabeni nonontuduzo wakaNomvalo ngiyacela ukuthi uthubele ku 0687649969 because after 11 siqala sikhuluma nawe siqala manje engage nawe ngiyabona abanye majesty bathumelelile omazola angazi kabanye ngama numbers but ngiyacela even na ku Facebook a group siyacela ukuthi ni comment nakhona let us engage, let us reason together akuze kusiza ukuthula sigxeke asingeneni kwingxoxo ebese silungisa la kungalunganga khona igama lohlelo ke lolo asilungiseni emsakazweni Inanda 88.4 FM.
Nazi izindaba zeNanda.
Oh yes. sophelela phi xa kunjena usho njalo uMandisi Jantjies ya ina into kubiza ngolunye uhlelo kodwa ke siyazama kwasiyami uthi Somandla siyophelela phi xa kunjena sikhuluma yona lento nala off studio ukuthi siyophelela phi ngempela mangabe kukanjena because there's so much that is happening and manje ishiya sinemibuzo yokuthi uma ngabe kuthiwa ke siyayithoka ngoba kufana nenkululeko bafowethu inkululeko sakhulula kodwa sithi sikhulekile yabona ubani kanti lo fana sikhulule ngaphandle mayisishiwe into thina siyenze ibe functional so sikulona ke isikhathi sokuthi manje asikhulume nawe ku 18 minutes past 11 o'clock emsazweni Nanda isithuba lami nawe ukuthi ke sixoxe let's engage come let's reason together. A number it's 068-764-9969 068-764-9969. Okay, uthi ke la owethu umfowethu uthi ngibingelele studio. Hayi yabona ke makhulunywa nge-human programming sikhulume nge-human programming okay but ke the cult way explaining akhona it says that babu Miyeza emandeni kunendawo kaStekeni bakha iAquel banesikole zabo ngaphakathi okay ngizongiphendula mangiqeda ngaphakathi kufundwa nesijalimani ukana khona la abantu bakhona aso slow ngenxa yeprogramming and uhulumeni akukho angakwenza ngaloku it's called church abayibuka iTV nomsakazo wabo ugcina imithetho yabo
uyazi inkinga ngendaba kaStekeni it has produced very functional people and dysfunctional people
and
yeah kuya ngelevel of trauma yakho
yeah
Okay, Gastegeni, they've produced close to 80% of people who left to Stegen and became very important members and figures of society. Baningi abantu abaphume kaStegeni impilo zabo zaba right out there.
Yeah.
But at the same time, Stegen unama casualties. Both psychological casualties, even sexual casualties.
So you mean you agreeing with the guy?
No, I agree with him because I've counseled people who have broken rank from Stegen.
Okay.
Bafika bene post-Stegen trauma.
Okay, it's about you have a different view or same?
La ekutheni ke angimuzwa mina kahle because angasho uDimbane ukuthi uba cancellation abantu abaphuma khona ngeinkinga ezihlukene but elamlila ukuthi leyanto ayibize ngeculture at the same time umention uAquila nje kokuqala ibusiness leliqasha abantu abangakhi abasebenza kulona abantu ngisho emarank ba order wona bawudayisa ufica ngisho amasonto amakhulu mayihlangene aya order awudayisi bathola imali abantu ngayo lokho so ayikwazi ukuba ikhathi leyo nto ephinde ikwazi futhi ukuempowerish abantu banikeze ikhathi igunya konke ithi letha la ayikunika iskill ayikunika ilutho wena oloku ufakile kuyona uyafa bamba ingqondo ukuthi bo wena letha konke la so lapha ya unlike that kunama programs amaningi akhona ngaphakathi kunama even ama rehab abantu basuka nje la kuthiwa nje uyakhona uyoyekisa ihungu uyoyekisa utshwala kunama programs nje ayinqaba khona kunezingadi kunamasimo kunani abahleli nje abantu ukuthi bahleli nje bayasonta abafaka imali bayasonta abafaka imali and there's nothing so kumina angikwazi ukuyibiza ngekhathi into enjalo
ngiyathanda manibona ngokuhlukahluka that means it's
ngathi mina if you count in terms of stats 80% of people baphuma kaStegeni they've done well for themselves yes. Then you do have imthonsela abantu avela bafela netrauma yabo but the type of gospel did not help them in dealing with the trauma yabo so baphuma with a post-trauma PTSD call so ngizama ukuthi it's a good program ngiyithanda but
bangena namanye ama expectations
bafika nama expectations
okay no well understood bese qhubeka athi ke ngibuya kuyona ke icult and abangani bami basale khona the church revolving from isonto labasindisiwe to cult washintsha umbishop waba uNkulunkulu kwanamaculo adumisa yena from being isonto elina less than 300 followers lashuba lashutha la ku 2000 elokhu esho omunye umfana ethi ubaba uziqedile izingane kuthiwa uyagula lo wavela omunye umama ethi umithisiwe umbishop kwabhikisha abanye besifazane la esontweni bethu namanga no sexy limit bekushintshwana ngamantombazane ubani usethandana nobani kuningi nje ngingabala incwadi bhala Mvelasi bhala.
Okay, ngicela ukubuza a simple question because we've done this show before. Uma mina Ndabente sengi successful and I'm running a 5,000 member church, how do I control a congregation? Is to have sex with critical people of my congregation.
Obamela busasondeza abantu bambela phezulu.
Ngithi mina uma ngifuna ukucontrola isonto noma iliphi licontrola ngetotozi ngifuna limanage ngqo.
Tab, are you agree to this?
Ndovukasi ngikutshela check the history of the church is wrought with scandals. Uyakwazi nawe lokho. Ngithi ke mina kuwena abantu abaningi aba successful amasonto abo bawabambe ngani ngetotozi. Follow all these cult leaders. Yabo follow the cult leaders bakwethu ake sicabange the Benin pastors laba abathwale Benin. Those dudes uma bebuya sebeqhubeka baba successful overnight. Uthwezi mkhulu umfundisi wakho mabuye Benin. Uyazi I have a testimony. Yake kwakwathi ngikhansela enye insizwe ephuma eZimbabwe izokwenza izakila la. Ithi mina omunye umfundisi yamusho ngabantu ngengimoshwe lana ngoba nginayo authority of doing that. Babe banga amathambo enkukhu mekadedla. Nje bazaza ngiyangizwa yini?
Amathambo baba.
Babe banga amathambo enkukhu makadedla. Abashela amathambo bazowabanga kube chance azabalamula. Yabo. So ngizama ukuthi into yokuqala yenza as a charismatic leader ukusebenzisa itotozi effectively in controlling your church. Once you spread the sexual spirit esontweni lakho uqedile liba imbumba lethi. But what it does yenza amadoda akhona abe weak.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Bese uthi sifazane ngoba uyasilala sibe strong. That's a cult. Now let me ask you a question ezosusa umsindo. Is the worship of Christ not a cult?
That's a question. It's so edileke kuma questions. Ngiyacela mlaleli nawe ukhuluma uphendule but ke ake siqhubeke sithule nomunye umbuzo la othi asilungiseni ukuthula siyabonga ngohlelo kunohlonze olinohlonze. Isintu kubukeka sisiqhelile kumdalo ngoba abantu abasenabo ubuntu. Baxhomeke ayibona kamehla mengenzela into engayiboni. Kithi sabathe ngiyabuka
ncane phela WhatsApp ncane
besesiqhelile kumdali ngoba abantu abasenabo ubuntu baxhomeke kakhulu kwimoya kuna kumdali thina ke sidalwe ngendlela ukuthi siphilisiwe futhi sigulisiwe ukudla sikhaya manje sincike emakhambini kakhulu ngoba sihlulwa inkanuko yolimo olufuna okumnandi kanti ubutho bulalayo ungabi nomkhuba owodwa esibona ngawo sonke sigcine kuyasidunga kusenza sibe buthaka okuvumela wonke amakhazi afakwa kuthina safela ubuholi bobukhosi obabu enforce imikhuba namasiko kwaphela ngathi abantu bahlakaniphile manje nakuba behlaniphile izinto ezingabasizi ezibabulayo kodwa bahlaniphele zona kodwa ilo nalo ufuna ukuchuma umqondo wakho ngiyabonga uDlamini.
Awusathi umshado uNdlovukazi. Do you know ukuthi umshado can be a cult? Marriage can be a cult if you worship your husband or if you worship your wife. Lokho sithi phecelezi wife pleasing or husband pleasing. Yeah. Dangerously umshado can be a cult. But if we conduct umshado in an African cosmological spacing where the empowerment is different, where the rules are different, then it's not a cult. It's a divine union.
Yeah.
Kodwa umshado uyingozi as defined in Christianity. Ukuthi submit, that's a cult.
Okay.
Ake ngibukela ku Facebook.
Iba before buke ku Facebook khona umbuzo engisabayo ukubuza la ngoba manje fanele sicha uchaze okay kufanele sifunde of sivumelana but ngicela ukuzwa la ukuthi khona yini okuzozwakala okushiwo ilensizwa le ayibo naziya
Mbonane studio uthwala lo wamasho ngithe angibonge i-explanation babo umyezeni ngamandaba ama-jeans leyo ukuthi athi umuntu ngingenwe ugogo norumkhulu ekubeni ama-jeans ethu they date back njengoba eshila athi angabuyela emuva as far as 8,000 years ago. Lento iyangi-interesta ngoba I just read a story. It's not recent, it's story engasifunda nje uWin Oprah echaza ukuthi udiscover ukuthi umZulu because ngenkathi enza itest ama-jeans akhe amkhombe related back to area like South Africa in Zululand, of which it means ama-jeans akhe goes back as far as but about 500 years, but the area ama-jeans amkhomba kuyona is in KwaZulu. So it's very interesting ukuthi ama-jeans khomba ukuthi insuka yakho, origin yakho kahle kahle isuka. So uWin Oprah washo ukuthi ameZulu. So it was very, very interesting. So lento ngikhumbuza ile nto esho bambiyazi ukuthi athi umuntu ngingenwe ukhokho rumkhulu. Lento ukuthi ngeke ungenwe omunye umuntu kade phila. Lento it should be about talks about the genes. Ama-jeans abaluleke kakhulu. Number 2, ngicela ukubuza ukuthi le culture yaseKenya la abantu beyibulala umfundisi wabo ethi abayibulale ithi inkosi abayibulale mabeyibulala bazongena ezulwini. Iyiphi part of the brain ekwazi ukuthi ivume leyo nto umuntu akhulume bayikhonarisha kanjani i-reasoning yomuntu? Yiphi part ye-brain abayidestroyayo, whether neurologically or psychologically? Ukuthi ngoba the time amaphoyisa ibamba lento there were more than 250 bodies which were exhumed eKenya ngenxa yamasonto la ekhaya umuntu akholwa ukuthi ayibulala ngopoison ngoba ethu yezulwini. It's really painful, iyadabukisa leyo nto. Angazi lento yama-cult ingaqedwa kanjani. Ngiyabonga.
Sanibona kwinanda bafundaba. Ngithi mina ngicela ukubuza ukuthi laba abantu abakwazi ukubona akutsheni into ekuyiyona mhlambe let's say isifo kuyisona ngempela yomfundisi eprofeta akutshene futhi ukuthi usesilaphile hambe uyocheck labo bantu labo kungabe nabo bama-cult noma
Inanda 88.4 FM. When we return, more of the music you love.
It's Best Radio. Ayike sekungama minutes ukuthi siqede kulolu hlelo. Ndabenhle kube nemibuzo. Ngizoxolisa kumlaleli osibuze ngebandla ubuze uthi wabhala umfundisi. Ngizocela ukuyixolisela leyo nto ukuthi angikwazi ukuthi mhlambe kwamanje ngoba kuzobe ngazuthi khona we are naming yabo we are shaming and naming but ngizocela ukuthi understand into eyodwa nje ukuze uphenduleke eyokuthi umuntu okanye i-cult lead uyibona kanjani or a cult movement or a cult group uyibona kanjani bese kwachaza indaba endle masiqala nje indaba endle bechaza leyo nto if ukuthi awukuzwanga ngizokuposta ku TikTok ngizokuposta futhi sizoposta futhi na ku YouTube so ngicela ukuthi siyibambe lapho nje uzobona lapho ngokuthi simenshine la uzozibonela lapho ukuthi a cult or not cult
mhlawumbe sibasize nge-healing from the cult healing.
Yeah, I think sesilapho manje not unless khona osintayo manje sifocus again.
Angiqedela ngoba baba.
Yes.
Konze bovu Mahamutsa. Uthi ngikhona ngilalele ngaphansi kweTable Mountain eKapa Lodumo. Awunazo-ke uhamba nenanda Mahamutsa ngisho uzofika koKepi. Akahlukani naye.
Siyabonga.
Rafael Photla uthi lwaze lwamnandi uhlelo siyabonga. Ngibone futhi khona la ku Facebook bakhona abanye kade ngibabona
Okay, mawusababheka khona otsanibona studio. Thank you for such a great show. Umhlengi Phewa amaphikelela ePNP. Siyabonga ePNP. Batshele bonke sikhuphula isingili lapho.
Ubheki Shalembe impande uthi nayichaza kahle kakhulu basakazi isintu ilapho sihlangana khona senza into eyodwa efanayo. Ngilapha ya enkandla eqhudeni kuphinde futhi khona uAyanda Ndaba uthino Ayanda Ndaba uthi sisonke hayi kade nama comment amaningi uAyanda Ndaba asecashwa phi manje
asibheke lona ke usambheko Ayanda ngibeke indlebe nje angina kuphawula ngisemathinini eButcha kamancinza siyabonga ke lumnandi uhlelo siyabonga kakhulu Damati wenze njalo na next time batshele nabanye kodwa kibalekile le ukuthi ke comment ke sikhulume into esicabangayo so sizokwazi ukuyiqoqa senze lento ekuthiwa isintu ngoba singabaka right ake asithi ke sibonisiva kanjani labenhle for yazi ke sikhuluma la ekhaya njalo bese siqhamuka nesombululo siqhamuka nezinto ama possible solutions kukuweke ukuthi masuzwile you do and try or you go and discern and come up with your own way of healing yourself because icacile sigula sonke si traumatized sonke sidlaliwe sonke so nje
which is why indaba zethu kufanele uthole a trauma informed therapist a trauma informed therapist who will take you through control, manipulation and coercion. Kufanele ufundiswe, we call that psychoeducation. You are educating someone abubone kodwa ubungozi babo ngoba into engozi ukuthi angabona ubungozi balokho uthi coercion into enjani ukuthi umuntu mekwenzisa into ongayifuni lokutshela ukuthi lakhe uma ungayenzi le nto uzolimala akusabise ngesihoko which begs the question. Are Christians worshipping Jesus or they're worshipping the devil?
That's the question abantu abaphendulile njalo.
I think
is it not a cult?
The thing is, among the Christians and Muslims, there is a destiny Satan. There is a gravitation. I'm a Christian, I'm a Muslim. Not a day will go Christian or Kurmanga Satan. Satan seems to be the driving force. This wonderful angel of love, Satan, is the make or breaker for its decision making. Christ. Christ ukumlipenti consciously Satan. Adle kakhulu Satan. As it
Satan ongenile.
Satan ongenile. So ngithi mina amakholwa they are a fan club for Satan. You know, abamsabi, he forms part. Sikhumbule ukuthi uSatan okusithunywa sikamenza ngithi. Yeah.
Sure, John.
Not sure, John. Why is on? Usatan is studios comments. Yeah. So, I feel what I'm they are playing a Russian roulette with the devil. They are so devil-oriented to a point where a life of a true Christian evolves around the devil. So Jesus is seen as an scapegoat. A scapegoat, not scapegoat, as an scapegoat.
It's satanic Bible. It is the church owes Satan. Because without Satan, the church
the Christianity ngaba yikho ukuthi uSatan akayi.
Mangase ngabi khona uSatan uthi ngizokhuluma ngani. Ngoba the reason ikhona nithi nilwa nami, nithi nilwa noSatan. So mangase ngingabi khona ke mina nizolwa nobani. So le mali eyenzayo kahle niyenza ngami ngegama lami.
Uzokwazi thatha a simple word like the demon. Daimon, which is D-A-I-M-O-N. The word daimon means the lower self in Greek. Your lower self.
Is that the Greek word?
That's a Greek word, yeah. Okay. It means a part of yourself that is low, that does not respond to the godness. But in Christianity, they created a spirit around Satan. By answer, you are powerful to a point to which we are always chasing demons. So what I'm saying, the cult of Christ, There is the cult of Christ. As a result, uJesu akasayenzi meaning empilweni zabantu. Umukhala Jesus, mawufeba Jesus.
Awu Jesu.
Mawuphethwe ikhanda Jesus. That's a cult. It's no longer the value. Baze bathi bacompose amaculo libize legama. Yet there are so many people libize legama every day. Their life changes nothing. There is no change in their life. So my biggest concern is the Christian world needs a revolution in the Muslim world. A revolution of revising their scriptures. Go back to the Quran. Don't take for what it is. Investigate with what was the message of the Quran. Why did the Holy Prophet say Uma ufe banez or mitra amavechi now 7,000? Go to the Bible. Find out what is it true. Apparently, women should not stand in the pulpit. Then you're in a cult formation.
Uyayizwela njalo ngoku kandaba enhle Thabo before sisele isikhathi usekhuluma indaba enhle the possible solution umuntu angazilekelela ngayo yena
le nto ifana nje nomuntu odlisiwe umuntu odlisiwe kubukhona ngabo ukumtshela ukuthi udlisiwe ngisho nimbona ngoba at that moment ababona ukuthi abanye kuze kufanele ashayeke kanzima kuyimayibone njengontombazane lo kade nibuka ivideo yakhe lapha ethi waze walokhuza wayenzani imoto wanikela ngayo noma wenzani
wanikela ngayo
nesonto limvulisa ikweletu uman of God emvulisa ikweletu ubona ngoba usungene up to here awunalutho upastor uthathele yena umvulela ama account umthengela amasudi abuya athi kwena hayi manje wena ndodakazi igama lama lihle la ungangivulela yini account la umthathele imoto angayikhokheli ikhokhelo wena ucule ikweletini useyinkingene eziningi awubone all in the name yokuthi ufuna ukungena ezulwini so ikhathi ke leyo yokuthi uman of God uyaxhaphaza ekusabisa ngokuthi uma ungakwenzi lokho ngeke uzungene izulu so abantu nje kufanele realize kumanje ukuthi la ngikhona amine khathi kahle lento le ayikho ayikwazi into uNkulunkulu phakathi ufuna uku-uplift uplift impilo yakhe
ishintshe futhi hayi ishintshe manje ishintshe ngempela
ishintshe now uthi ukuyona lento ekuthiwa uNkulunkulu kodwa ulenga ikweletu
uzizwa futhi ucindezelekile
uthwele kanzima ikhathi ke leyo
kuthathonswa kuwena kudonswa amandla
yes iyakunqela lento
ngiyakuzwa
any person who says when uma wakho terminally ill with stage 4 cancer akutshela ukuthi in the name of Jesus your mother's gonna heal so oncologist isinibizile yanhlalisa phansi that your mother is very sick I want you to make quick decisions ngicela yonke into ebenifuna ukuyibuza uma wena nimbuze about the will funerals and everything because unawo la moments okukhuluma yabo and because you might not have bese kusuka ingane eyodwa reasonable engekho under a cult mahla laphansi balalela abanye akhulume kahle ugogo in a very deep tone obona ukuthi it's no longer the earthly tone it's a heavenly tone asho yonke into niyongcoba endaweni ukuthi abantu abayokhuluma ngocela bomama usibanibani nomama usibanibani ningalwi ke abantu abami kakhulukazi indodo nawe siqhelo udadweni omdala ngicela nimhloniphe umdala ufundile ngeke ngikufihle umntanami wangihlonipha wazwa sacrifice wangagana ngoba efuna uku-uplift umuzi kababa wakhe kube nokuthula ke mangihamba nikhaleke nenze idrama ashone the following day kodwa khona uanti wasesontweni efike wathini wathi abantu bami ngicela ukunidonsa ngendlebe with Christ ngeke niwenze umonakalo of giving up on Christ now same woman uzobe khuluma Saturday athi bantu abami ningizwa kahle ningangimisinterpret ngisasho namanje ngabe ugogo usekhona if you did not give up on Christ that's a cult ayikhalthi ke leyo
ngiyakuzwa ndabeni
yeah
uthi angifuni ufake igama le-ex yakho mangixoxa nawe kodwa aliphubi isonto lingakhunyulwanga ngosathane enkonzweni hawe ayibo
uqinisile
uveze into ke manje ke ethe kuba light kuyani
ilight kamnandi ngempela ngithi yathi umuntu yazi wena ukungijwala kanjalo masina ukhuluma kodwa for almost 70% of our conversation the devil lengani no Satan imichikele sichapha
kodwa lifakwe la X kodwa enkonzweni uyawufaka uX wabe ufana uthi X masuphumile usenkonzweni
uSatan ngomfanisa no ex boyfriend ex girlfriend. So why would you continuously talk about your ex girlfriend?
Because ayikiteta ezayo.
Basika amakholo yawazi
bathanda babe ne impact
that is why kubona amakholo akukhulu kusuka kuma relationship akade kuona kabi la. Ama relationship ama Christians they are associated with the power of the devil.
Yeah.
They are conducted along the devilish state.
Yeah.
They are meant about their definition is a devilish definition and the devilish behavior.
Ndabenhle I think Christians now it's basukuma kakhulu the time kuthiwa ezikoleni angilandelanga le yanto ngamasibomu nje ngoba ngifuna ukubona isiphetho sayo ngizwe seyisegcineni because khona into disturbayo kuyona le ndaba ukuthi ezikoleni sekuzofunda about sex kodwa iyapresenteka kwangathi kuthiwa kwangathi manje kuthiwa ingane izofundiswa ukulalana ilalenye zitshengiswe kanjalo iyayithini le phela
into eqhamuke eAmerica nje
seje 18 kahle ingane izolalana
izilala iyayifundisa ikubhalwe phansi ukuthi sex enziwa kanjani.
So have you seen that?
Hayi phela ayikaqali isiphasisiwe kodwa ekaqali.
But actually the examples or whether
yes Australia America yasebenza already.
Okay, so bathi objective yakhona yini
ukulala umphakathi
ngisho bona phela ngeke bathi bona babulala umphakathi senje ngokwabo bathi objective yokufundisa ukuthi ingane lalana kanjani
ukuthi zazi ikushuthi indlela kuyi empower
ku wrong yini ukuthi ingane zazi ukuthi kulalana kanjani
ngokwami ku wrong yonke into inesigaba sempilo awukwazi ukusukela ingane lapha ku grade R or grade 1 usuyifundisa ngesex
manje ngamanje kunjena ke kureshwana kwenzakalani ingane ziba nama feelings nokudla uziphusha
uyisho kahle impela ukuthi we have bigger problems ukuthi sifike kanjani lapho
wasethi zishiselwa igazi
idalwa yini leyo nto
phela ngisiyachaza ukudalwa yini so mangabe ukuthi ayifani lento nama contraceptives
no ayifani kodwa iqhamuka ndawonye
mina ngibuza ukuthi ku wrong ingane angaka ukuthi nje ngisho angilandelanga
so ukuthi izingane zifundiswa into ezingakabi nengqondo kahle aziyazi nokuthi yini le
but joyifundiswa ngo HIV ethi uyithola mawulale nomuntu kanje kushiwe kudlule kanjalo.
How do you teach sex at the age of 10?
Hayi ukude mock 10 zingena esikoleni
bathini bathi zifundiswa e-primary
ise primary lento
khona into engangihlanganeli
ise primary
ngiyacela abantu
thumela information yayo
ngifuna ukuthi ngithola ama video ngangithumela okubhaliwe kunempahlane yokudidisa ngathi ngathola ivideo umuntu eyikhuluma because I just want to know objective yabo bona laba bayiqala this phela
ukubulala isizwe
no thabo ngiyakuzwa ngokwe perception yakho
phela angithi yonke into Ndlovukazi mayifika ifika iconvenience even bekwenzela into mhlambe angazi ngizolingana nani othi mawuyibuka wena uthi iconvenience le njengo digital ID mabe ipresent lento yabo babe ipresent it kwele kugcineni uzokubona ukuthi sibthwala umzima ngoba ngoba my present
but the challenge yami ngifuna leyo presentation ke ngifuna ukizwa so that I will understand ngikwazi ukuba yabo ukuthi nami ngiyibuke ngalendlela
ama video zokubheka
but is it wrong ukuthi NSC kuphela ngithi iprocess yokuphasisa izophasiswa siphasile siyasebenza here in South Africa
phela into efika iphasi ihlale bese ke sekuzolindwa abanikazi bayoke bazoyifaka ke mhlambe nothisha ngazi bazotrain ukuthi benze kanjani I do not know
here in South Africa okay I think into efanele sikhulume Ndabe what do you say
I think
it's an
example of what happens in Ndlovukazi when parents abdicate their responsibilities. There's no parent who's capable of raising a child. You can only parent But what would happen is that we need to allow our children to raise us, because if they raise us, parents, who are able to parent, but when they raise us, they are showing the potential gifts that they came on earth with. We need to protect those gifts for them. That is called parenting. We need to be the sounding board for them, the voice. But when you begin to raise your child, so raising a child, it means you kulisa nge trauma yako, misinformation yako, nang a cult mindset yako. Yeah.
Okay. So you do agree with something that we really need to engage on, or not?
We need to, in involvement of the church and other systems of community. A very strong part as well now.
Yeah.
Now, why bengafundisi nge-tax in the system basic level be-catesex instead of teaching tax systems, how to pay your taxes, how to receive tax, how to protect your money so that you don't lose it. Into efanele ngabe yenziwa at a basic level.
Nge-sex.
Into bafundisa ama-tongues.
Kufika i-AI manje. Mawufuna ukufunda i-AI vale kuye phesheya. Ukuze ingane yakhe ifunde nge-AI into ekhona kodwa iqhambise phambili lento imaqala ukuthi ya implementwa ke lento
sesisele ngani ukuthi enamayisishiwe into ukuthi yenziwe bese inqa kaqala thina si-correct indlela yethu shoda ngani ukuze siyenze le
nto kakade i-circulator lento lana siwathumela abantu sithi abalwe nalento kuyaliwa wahluleka ugovernment waphinda futhi waseyayifaka ke ngendlela ayifake ngayo ngoba yali ukuthi izinto enjengale oyirezayo nendlubukwazi isikhathi esiningi abantu ababa involved kulona kuzona belungu abantu abayibuki njengento eyiconcern lento.
And it's concerning ngikwakhona lokuthi as black people ithina esisebenzayo ukuthi sihambise yomasha ithina futhi esisebenzayo ukukhuluma ithina futhi esisebenzayo kuthiwa kukhulunywa ngathi poverty and but mase kufika intweni ngempela ekufanele ngabe siba serious ngazo sikho
ngaleso sikhathi
it's concerning
lento angayifanisa nama-ethol yakhumbula egoli indaba ama-ethol yazi ukuba belungu babe ngakho ama-ethol ngaba yasebenza namanje ibona babelo ngoba lento iyashaya ishaya amaphakethe so omunye abantu isikhathi esiningi into ebashaya direct njobe bashaya ngisho emaphaketheni abayinaki.
When you want to control a nation, you use two things, tax and religion. Overtax them and then subject them to cult religious systems. Ungaba control abantu for 2000 years. First you overtax them, then bese bafaka ku religion ezobalalisa ubuthongo bafuthi abavuki. And then you teach their women ukuthi babe lame bangakwazi ukucabanga bacatshangelwe amadoda and use the Pauline verses ukuthi men you must submit.
And makunenkinga ningayikhombi ku government or kubantu abaphethe ikhombe amongst nini shane nodwa
izinto esifundise zonke
yalento efakwayo ngqondo nabantu
siphila ngayo manje can we fight bafowethu ngoba ngiyayizwa into enisho ukuthi ngempela isilimazi kakhulu can we fight ukuthi kungabi kanjalo thina ke sisakwazi ukucabanga sisakwazi ukulalela
esakwazi abantu basenayo ini capacity to listen and understand and understand.
Khamba abanye abaningi kodwa laba ifew siyacela abantu at least bakubambe lo
abala kwasilungiseni they've grown in leaps and bounds but unfortunately majority of them are still captured. They still captured and also danokuthi phela mangabe usaya esontweni angithi na vele esontweni khulunywa language ephinde confuse ngokugcina usithi and khona mayisi emphasize ukuthiwa nje awu ngazi kanjani
khulunywa language aka politics kade ngibona nje enye imashi ebaleke kabe ozokubona abantu bebancane kuyona ebheke direct kuma bank ukuthi la manipulate irand kuthiwa irand njengamanje kufe ngali u5 to the dollar abantu abayinakile leyo
i7
amanye amathe 7 ama latest engatholile kuthiwa kufe ngali u5 mathe 7 yes so I said between 7 and 5 rand kufanele ngali leyo mali to the dollar but ama banks are manipulating the rand sihlupheka kangaka sihlushwa ama bank but asiyisimpi kubantu okuyibona abasihlupha ngempela sizoloka sikhombana sodwa la phansi
Muntu omnyama vuka umuntu omnyama siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi indlale nathi kusukela ngo9 o'clock kuze kushaye 12 o'clock sithi asilungiseni sikhuthaza ukuhamba ezimisweni zikaMveli Nqangi siveze okunye esikutholayo nathi sikubona ukuthi kuzosilekelela sonke so asibambaneni thina ke sarizina esakwazi ukuengage siyacela ke shift focus manje sifocuseni kuthina because icacile ukuthi sisodwa manje endumisweni featuring Benjamin Dube Tabs David esho kanjalo siyabonga bafowethu
Danko.